Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Michelle, and in this video we're going to discuss the classroom assessments from the administrator's side. So here we have you logged in as an administrator, and we're going to go to our classes. So there are two ways to get there. You can click on Tools at the top navigational bar, which will bring this drop-down menu, and then you can click on Classes. Or you can take the shortcut on the left-hand side, and when you click on Classes, it's going to give you that subdirectory, but it's also going to drop down the classes. So to get to the assessments, you're going to click on the link for assessments, and here you can choose the class of your choice. As an admin, you could come in here and you can view the assessments on a student in any of the classes that you're providing, but you cannot make any changes. You can't add an assessment, you can't delete an assessment. If you need to work with assessments in your class particularly, you would need to log in as an instructor and log out of your administrator site. So if you click on a student's name, you can see the latest assessment that the instructor has placed in their records, and you can also view the assessment history by this drop-down. To add or to delete or to look at your categories and ratings for assessments, we're going to take you to the right-hand corner here to Assessment Categories and Ratings, or you can always go on your left-hand side and click on Settings. So let's click on Assessment Categories. Here you can see the categories that are listed in your system and the ratings. If you want to add a category, you would click on the upper left hand corner, click category or rating. So let's go ahead and add a category, and maybe this is field trip participation, and let's click on the save icon. And the assessment ratings work the same. We can add an assessment rating and click on the save button. One of the things you'll notice between the assessment categories and the ratings that apply here is that if you see a trash can, that means you can delete it because none of your instructors are using that category or the rating. So if the trash can has disappeared, you could see a number on the class count, meaning there are two classes that are currently using this category or the ratings. So you won't be able to delete them, but you can mark them as inactive. So if it's a specific category that a teacher was using one year and then next year you're not using it, you can go ahead and make it inactive. You just can't delete it because it is attached to the student's records. If you have any further questions, please submit a ticket through your administrator's homepage.